Have you ever wanted to venture into the world of garden design but not really knowing where to start? Well, if so, this Beginner's Guide to Garden Design is for you. Even if you're a brand new gardener or you've never studied design, this course is going to teach you the fundamentals to make you feel confident in making better choices both in your own gardens and clients' gardens that you may be designing for. This online course is going to take you through step by step the process of designing a garden. And even if you've got very limited knowledge, I'm going to explain the basics so that you feel comfortable working with different plants, garden types and functions along your journey to become a garden designer. The best part about this course is that you can take it in sections at your own time and you can study virtually anywhere. So whether you're designing just for yourself or you want to start a career as a garden designer, this course is going to hold your hand and guide you through each of the steps. You can take it completely at your own pace, but the average guided time to complete this course is anywhere between 15 and 20 hours. The course is based on a mixed media approach, where we've got written lessons, video instructions from me, the Garden Ninja, or examples in my client's garden or my own. At the end of each section, there's going to be a quiz just to check your knowledge and make sure that if there are any gaps, you can go back through the lessons and fill in those missing pieces. The course culminates with a real-life case study of a real garden from start to finish, showing you all of the lessons in a real-life scenario. At the end of it, when you've completed the course, you also get awarded with the Garden Ninja Beginner Gardener's Design Certificate to show that you've understood the subject matter and you're on your way to becoming an amazing garden designer. So what's stopping you? Sign up today and join me as I teach you everything you need to know about garden design.